Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another DIY video. Today we're getting in there with some caulking. My dad and I actually completely redid this whole bathroom, and we hung new drywall, did the tiling, everything. The only thing I had somebody do was reglaze the bathtub, which that's too many chemicals and I didn't want to destroy any brain cells. Yeah, today we're going to be recaulking the bathtub. And I don't know about you guys, but you can see all this nasty mildew and mold along the crease in the caulk. It's a moist environment. You're gonna grow mildew. So we're gonna completely redo it, and hopefully I won't screw this one up. Okay, you're gonna need a lovely utility knife we have here. Also got this scraper that the guy at the Home Depot store recommended, and he said that he didn't even use a utility knife, but so we're gonna be able to use this and just kind of cram it in there and get the caulk off. Lovely little sponge, and after we get all the caulk off, we're gonna sponge it and treat it with some anti-mildew spray and let that sit for about an hour, and just get in there and get the rest of the mildew out of the cracks. We're gonna use some lovely Gorilla Tape for when we're recaulking. That way we're not getting caulk on all over the bathtub, because no one wants caulk on your bathtub. And then we have caulk gun. I don't even know how this works. We're gonna be locked, cocked, and loaded. If you want, technically, anytime you're doing home repair projects, you should probably always wear safety glasses. But if you're getting caulk in your eye, you're doing it wrong. I don't think I've ever had caulk in my eye. Wait, there was that one time. We're also going to use a toothbrush just to kind of get in there and brush the mildew off what's left after you get the caulk out. This is my roommate's toothbrush. I don't think she's going to notice, but you can just use any toothbrush, preferably not your own, but I don't think she'll notice. So now we're actually in the bathtub. This is going to be so much fun. Just using everything, and my roommates will use her towel too. Now I can just kind of cut along the edge. I think we're technically supposed to cut away from you. I'm pretty dangerous with a knife, so we'll do it how you're supposed to do it. We'll do it correctly and cut away from you, because you do not want to cut yourself with this. So basically, see how hard you have to really you have to really get in there. Get in there. Get down and dirty with this caulk. Ugh, this is so gross.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade.
Here's one called the Bathtub Man. That sounds legit, right? Let's call it.
Hello, you have reached the Bathtub Man. Sorry, we don't even take your call this time, please.
They're not open on Sundays. Praise Jesus. Good for them. Let's just try a handyman. Mr. Handyman? That sounds like somebody that knows what they're doing.
My name is John. How can I help you?
Yeah, I was calling to see if you guys do bathtub recaulking.
They do. What I can do is take a message here. Are you a previous or a new customer?
A new customer. I was just trying to get a price estimate.
Your faces, Rebecca.
Mm-hmm.
First hour is $152.
Okay.
If your project takes longer than an hour, they only charge $46 per piece additional 30 minutes. So, say they got there and they were going to recaulk the bathroom, it didn't take them an hour to do it. If you found a screw in a cabinet or a light fixture you need to fix or anything, you can do whatever in the project and send off the handyman. Bye-bye.
So that was basically just an answering service that I called, but by the way she was talking, it's $150. They're basically paid by the hour. So it's $150 for the first hour and $4 to $6 per each additional 30 minutes. Now, when I went to Home Depot, I probably spent about $30 to $40. And some of the supplies I actually had, but I wasn't sure where it was, so I just got all new stuff. So you could probably get all the supplies for this for about $30 to $40. Like hell, I'm gonna pay somebody $150. This is why I do this stuff. I finished getting all the caulk out. There's dead to the world. Now I have this mold and stain mildew remover, but I really don't like to use like products that have all these like hazardous chemicals. So I saw this in another video. This is just Simple Green. It's more of an organic product. It's supposed to be better for the environment, which I'm all about. Saving the environment and doing things that aren't gonna increase our carbon footprint. I'll let my battery charge and shut up, Tinder. None of you guys are any good, so leave me alone. We have gotten all of the old nasty caulk out, and I sprayed it down with some mildew resistant spray. That has completely dried, so I let that sit for a couple hours. Now we're going to get to recaulking. I actually decided to not put tape around the edges because somebody told me that if you pull the tape off and the caulk's not dry, it's just gonna pull it right off. So there's like a bunch of different types of caulk. This one, you can either get clear or white. I chose white because I think it just looks better. It's a 7-year mold-free guarantee. We'll squeeze test it. Ooh, oops, got a little excited there.
That I can tear away, shoot me down, but fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight.
But it beats paying $150. I gotta clean this mess up. Some of the caulk exploded. This is why you have to take your time. Don't rush things. Alright, so here we have the finished product. Alright, so a couple of pro tips that I've learned. You want to use nice, even pressure on the caulk gun. Because if you don't, it's everywhere. 2. Moist fingers. Caulk really does not like dry fingers. It's gonna make a huge mess. It's not very fun. You may want to use some latex so you don't get your hands dirty. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all have a good week. Bye!